Ew. Nais kong malaman mo ano ba ang dahilan. Maghihintay na lamang ba ang puso kong nangamba sa iyong mga pangako? Hinali.
Saan yung mother?
Where? From?
From Muntinado. Mas dami.
Mm. Finger 7, huh? 7 people. You're beautiful and single. No, I'm not single. Just survives. Do you want to marry me? No, I don't want to marry you because I'm getting married soon. I want to marry with someone I love. I'm sorry. Oh, la, she told me where do I start, 'cause it's breaking my heart. Who wouldn't let it hurt? Thank you, so people. Tommy Wenger. If you show me my face, if you want to see my face, you need to send a super chat $2,000 because my feet is not free. And I thank you. Hola. No pervert allowed here. I'm so sorry, my thank you. No trolls allowed. Ikaw, nakamon? Tell me when it's time, 'cause it's breaking my heart to let it go. Thank you, 13 people. Thank you for 13 people. Hi. Hi, Ramesh. Hello from Galveston Country, Texas. Texas. Texas is a state of USA. Am I right? Am I right? Oh my God. Oh shit. Hi, Jacob, Ramesh. Hello, hi, Danielle. Thank you, people. Army Vietnam, hello. Hi, Army Vietnam. Thank you for joining 14 people here. Hi, thank you, 17 people. Hi. Hello. Hi, thank you. Hi. Hello. 19 million. 19 people. Hello. 19. 9 people. Oh my God. How are you guys? Hey, 10 people. Hi. Why I need to lurking? See something. Thank you, 20 people here. Thank you so much. No pervert allowed my life. GSCP. You're not welcome on my channel, on my live. So maybe you go to another live, and then because you are a pervert in a church, then they will entertain you. Okay, not here. Not here, not my live. I don't want to waste my time. People like you, toxic, idiots, fake, trolls, bad people, disrespectful, yeah, lack of good manners and right conduct. Baka naman ako po, sabi ko. Okay lang. Ito. Okay lang? Ha? Thank you 10 people in the house. Thank you so much. Makaon ka na? Thank you 10 people. Makaon ka? Yata ko na ini. Makaon ka dire. Ito ka na magkaon sa lamin sa palatagan mo yung sira. Ito ka na sa lamin sa magkaon para matagan mo. Gayon! Bonggan! I'm alright.
Hello guys, si Daddy Mike.
Daddy Mike is sleeping, Daddy Mike.
Sleeping?
Yeah, say hi,
Yeah.
Daddy Mike. Say hi kay Masa May. May mo dalang hindi. Nanang sabihan mo.
Eh?
Nanang sasabihan mo.
Wala.
Sabihan na nga, para maruyagin sa imo. Ay, di ayun na lang. Joel, hello, Joel. Hi. Thank you so much for joining. Habang ako'y nanulumba. What I? What do you mean I? How are you? I'm fine. How about you, Joel? I forgot, where are you from? Thank you for the likes. Julian, sorry. Hi, Julian. Oh my God, I forgot. Oh my God. Sorry, Julian. But I'm good. Sorry, Julian. My God. Sorry, man. Sorry. But I'm good. Thank you, Julian. Oh my God. I have a memory and sometimes memory loss. So I forgot. Ano, something like that. Thank you for joining. It's okay. Oh my God. Just wake up from take a nap. So that's why then feel hungry because tired all day. Something like that. Something like that. Nalilimutan pa ba aking What time is it over? Time here, 8, 8, 8:11 p.m. here. It's 11 p.m. Nighttime, yes, nighttime. Nighttime.
Kamu bisa?
Paano sila?
It's 1:12 p.m. here. Okay, that's right. That's good. Have a nice day. Good afternoon in United Kingdom. Am I right? You are in UK. You're living in UK, I think, Jillian. Jillian, UK, London. Are you in London? Something like that. Jillian. 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 Jillian.
Kunwari healthy.
No way, hit London. Why? Huh?
Kunwari healthy na lang tayo.
Where are you now, Julene? Why you hit London? Ay, mas masarap pala ang ganito. Yung medyo nag-yellow siya. Ay, very ice one.
Kaya niya di ano, putong sa ipit.
It's bad place. Bad place, the London. Maybe because of the a lot of toxic there, something like that. I am 2 hours away from London driving. Okay.
Tayo mo.
Ano dito sa ref? Ay, di man. Sabi mo kadada, sabi ko. It's a bad place. I am 2 hours away. No, I'm not married, but I'm going. I'm getting married soon. I'm getting married soon. Hink Van D P Pier Flat. Paper flat. Paper flat. Uh, yeah, to Mike. Yeah, to Mike. I'm getting married to Mike. I think Mike is still sleeping because he sleep late. Probably. Hey, big long shop. Hi, big long shop. Shop? Big long. No big short. Big long, no big short. Hi po. Hi, Michael. Lol. 15, 16 here. Where are you from? Where are you? South means run. Okay. South means run. Nice to meet you po. Salamat for chatting, Michael. Thank you for joining here, Michael. Could mean something else. Okay. Could mean something else. Looking beautiful. Oh, thank you. Big long. What part of Philippines are you in? Bicol province, Philippines. Bicol. 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 I'm not Bisaya. Oh my god. People think I'm Bisaya. When they joining here, they think I'm not Bisaya. Char. I never been in love. Sorry, big long. I have no time to entertain people like you. Sorry, my God. Maybe going to another channel, and they will have a time to talk to you like that. But me, no. I have been there. Really, Michael? You been there? Huh? Yes, I love Philippines. Traveled many times. Wow. Where are you from, Michael? Australia after all. Living in Australia. How old are you? I'm 41. Ah, something like that. I am old, 37 years old. Okay. Sir Michael, are you married? Happy family, having a kids, grandchildren, something like that. What's up? If you really love me, kaya mo. What's your food? Masarap po. No dear, I am single. Yes, the food is masarap. And then why you are single? What happened? Oh, why single? Dress supper. Oh, July. Inako po, you're not. What's your food po? Masarap. Okay. Kili-kili. Kili-kili. Oh. Kili-kili mamaya. Inako po, you're not reading. Huh? Not reading. Well, inako po, you're not reading. Inako po, you're not reading. Thank you to those who are sending the heart, to those hearts. Thank you so much for the heart. Thank you for the heart.
Nabasuran na tama.
Never believe in love. Thank you so much. Thank you, Sir Fred. Sir Fred, Mrs. Roller. How are you? It's so much fun. Have electricity there. I didn't even know you were the light. Yeah, that's why. That's why I told you I'm on the live, my dad. I'm watching my own live, then Juan. And suddenly, watching Juan. Oh my gulay. Shame on you for not practicing. Scooter. Mike, no, I'm busy today. Not busy now. Busy now, I'm doing live. Ah, okay.
Ano yun, mama? Ano yun ito?
Cranberry dito sa may ref. Mayon dito.
Kaya ka.
Guess you like walking. Yeah, I like walking. Sorry. Excuse me. My God.
Mama, masiram yada.
Ang good. Ikaw, tadihin mo na. Bago ka mo. Bless you. Thank you.
Mga mga kasiraan. Le.
Nang ano. Do you have shorts on? Shorts on? Yes. I have shorts on. Why? Why? Ew. Respect the host. Andrea Pesuvan. Andrea, your name is a woman, but your attitude is inappropriate your name. What the heck? Who raised you? Who raised you attitude like that? The issue that you need to disrespect your same gender, your same uh, woman, something like that. You proud of it? Your English getting better. Yeah. My English is getting better now. Oh my god. I'm proud of myself. Self-confidence. Ha? That my English is bitter now. My English is bitter now. Oh my god. Thank you, 6 people here. So what time is the thing tomorrow? Tomorrow the event for the Santa Cruzan afternoon here at 3:30 at the mass, and then after the mass the event start. That's right. I will
Drama.
yeah, tomorrow something like that. Yeah. Okay, that's not saying what time. Okay. Thank you for joining. 7 people in the house. Hi. So let's try again. What time it start? 3:30. 3:30. Start. 3:30. 3 dot dot 3:30. That's much better now we know. That's much better now we know. Mike is sleeping. Mike, the hubby is still sleeping. You talk so much. We get to see you in a beautiful, yes. The dress is like the wedding dress, something like that. Beautiful, the white, something like that. Hey, sure. Hi, Sir Darren. Hi. Good evening. Have a nice day to you. Hey, hi, Fred. Sir Darren, are you living in Australia, right? Australia, you're living in Australia, Sir Darren. If I'm Hey Darren, I don't know if he is sleeping or cleaning the new. Ah, yeah, maybe he's busy. I think he sleeps late because he joined my live afternoon, so early in the morning. So because we talk a lot morning, we talk so much morning. Something like yes, I live in Australia. Sir Darren living in Australia.
Nagaman ako dito 200. Balik. Kasi nakayak si Gcash. Gusto ko yung
Ah. Sabi ni Mike, where's my nephew? Nakuha ng bigay. Harap ko ba rin?
pwede ka kita. Mabakal kaya ako sige rin yun.
Oh, pero ang binan.
200. Timiya katagan ako ay mabakal ako ng sige rin. Pwede na lang ito tayo.
Look, 2.5 hours you guys talk. Too much talk. Not just 2.5. More than 2.5 hours. You scared her away, Darren Lou. Joking. I live in South Australia, about in the middle of Australia countryside. Maybe because we talking when I wake up, I doing live and he talking, then more than 2.5 hours we talking. Yeah, more than 2.5 hours. No, something like that. Yeah, I scared everyone away with LOL. Oh my god. Why? I took my wife about 2.5 minutes. Huh? I took your wife. But me, I'm talking my mic more than 2.5 hours. More than, I think. Because I wake up something like that. 7. And I start doing live. Then my more than 2.5 hours. More than 2.5 hours, something like that. Wait, I need to check that one.
Ano na yun? Ako na lang. Thanks.
Oh my God. 2 hours and 11 minutes the first call with Mike, and then the where's the trio, and then the trio hours. More than 2.5 hours, something like that, at you. So, talk a lot. The right one will come around. Sooner or later, they won't be scared that. No way, I'm talking for 3 to 3 hours. Before we talking something like that with Mike, we're talking Mike and me, we're talking 2 in 11 minutes, something like that. 2 hours and 11 minutes. Yeah, but Cheryl and Mike are in honeymoon stage friends, so they will talk for hours. Yeah, and Mike never shut up. Never. My God. I think Mike does all the talking and Cheryl listens. Yeah, something like that. Oh, it's okay. That's low. What's up, Pusakal? Pusakal, hi, hello. Hey, Pusaka. Gaming, you. Hi, gaming. How are you, Sir Fred from Pusaka? Well, stream tomorrow, Pusaka. I have no electricity since Sunday. You have electricity now? Electricity fixed now today, Sir Fred? Okay, gaming. The case is the worth $2,000. The case. Me too. I don't have internet since Saturday, Sunday. Oh my God. Doing better now, Pusaka. I got electric now. How about you? Thank you, Sir Fred. Just using data. No spamming. Thank you, Sir Fred. Noise coming. I had internet but no electricity. I had no internet but no electricity. I have battery packs for Wi-Fi, but phone and tablets were going dead. Oh my god. Why no Wi-Fi, Pusaka? You can buy mini solar generator. I think in Lazada, yeah. You need Cosimo Felicia. Hi, Cosimo Felicia. Cosimo Felicia. Thank you sa nagla-likes. Thank you so much. What? Oh, gulang. Excuse me. Oh my God. The wire across the street was cut and ours was all born. Oh my. Sorry. Sorry. Wala na dito sa ref, Gab.
Mama.
Good morning po na. Good morning, Ugol Zahanzahin. So run new wire from street up to house today, yes. And that serious this you hear explosion. Oh, Ugas, where are you from? From Turkey. Hi, from Turkey, August. Thank you for joining. Welcome to my live stream. Hope you nice and respectful joining here. Thank you so much. Because it happened to us, transformer explode. Yes, most us like summer, something like that. Down by the meter is so flame. Yeah, maybe because heat Hills loves me. Thanks a lot. August loves me. Do you know Turkey? I know Turkey, but I've never been there. Never been there in Turkey. Shout out. Because every house consume lots of electricity, especially summer. Yeah, same here, same happen here. Sometimes shutdowns even at the middle of the night, some something like that. That's why the schedule here, the schedule like shut down, no electricity a whole day because of the shortage of um, electricity here. No aircon and only one light on at a time. We don't consume lots here. Here, to avoid shortage of electricity, having a schedule like no electricity whole day, something like that. Oh my god. Thank you, Sir Fred. I know you're not talking to me, God. Oh god. Yeah. August, you got me need to think. Don't tell anyone to shut up. Oh my god. So that's why. Good evening, beautiful Cheryl. Hi, Sir Chester Hexon. Thank you for joining again. Thank you so much, Sir Chester Hexon. Hello pa. Have a nice day. You you eat already, Cheryl? Yes, I already ate. I will just talk to the polisher. Say hello to my little friend August Boom. Pusaka. Hi, Pusaka. Oh my god. Oh. Tony Montana. god. Hi, Jeff Bird. Hello, first time. Okay, first time here on my life. Lul Pusaka. Oh my god. Ala. Oh my god. Lot service. Oh my god. You are very beautiful and I want to marry you. Oh my god. You know what, August? I'm married someone. I'm getting married with someone. Look. I'm engaged. Sorry, it was a movie share called Scarface. 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 Hi, thank you for joining. 11 people in the house. Hi, 12 people. Oh, okay then. No, you are Tony Montana circuit in this chat. Cheryl, yes, August, what happened? Oh my god, August. Say hello to my little friend. Hi, hello to your friend, little friend. Nice to meet you. Wish you well, you EBD. What EBD means? Uh, here we go. Here we go. From Pusaka. Cheryl, watch the movie. What's the movie? What's the movie? Scarface? And your partner. Scarface. Osaka, have you watched the Godfather movies? Godfather movies? The Godfather movies. Scarface. I need to know the Scarface. Scarface. Ah, sorry. I think it's before. The first one is best, but I like most the Scarface. Scarface. Tony Montana from the Scarface. How about the Sopranos series? Sopranos, that one known. Sopranos. I like all mafia stuff. Most movie I watch are Casino Carlito's Way. That was good also. Scarface Scent of a Woman. Scent of a Woman? Scent of a Woman. Oh my god, wait. Scarface. It's about the mom. Lang. I need to watch this Scarface. Just like Mike is smelling you, Shara. Smelling yours. Oh my god. I have no idea how found your page. Wish you well and happy life. Sorry you will go. George Bird. My uncle have collection VHS before. Scarface. The Scarface is 1983. I want to get rich. This is the Scarface. I want to get rich. You need to be ruthless. I have the DVDs. Oh my god. I have a Scarface. Oh, sorry. Money always talks first. You are rich, Cheryl. Rich in love, something like super duper tons of love. That's why you get it. The first of many. I read the comments from the facts 100, all the love of the money, all the rest of all labor. Good. Oh my god. Yeah. Pusaka, but I can still put you time out. Oh my god. What's what? I will watch it. Oh my god. You're rich in love. I will watch again that Godfather maybe tomorrow if I don't if I don't have work. Oh my god. So Cheryl, how many single friends have you got for me to check out, Lord? But you prepare the age, Sir Darren. Like 30s, 40s, something like that. Young or something like that. What's work? It's allowed to say work. Hee. Here, ha. Pusaka, but I can still put your time out. Oh no. Oh my god. Hi, Stefano, PD Recto. Hi, PD ka na. I can but won't because shells don't have that work rule. 20s upwards. Ah, okay, Sir Darren. George Bird. Sorry bad spelling, but heard your comments on money happens is rich. Ah, that's right, Sir George. I Jeff Bird talks about the money because his Scarface is the like Tony Montana, the movies. This is money for something like that. Shara is happy without money as long as there's love. Yeah, rich in love. You just searching for someone who is serious and wants to build a life together. Okay. What is your asset? Why woman like you, Sir Darren? One why woman need something like that. Tony Montana. 12. Money is not love. I got one Darren, she late 40s or early 50s. Too old? Oh my God. I have auntie who is single named Kiki. Maybe you like Darren. Pusaka, oh my God. Oh my God, Pusaka. The heart is what I look at. I can look you if you like. Oh my God. I will talk to my wife, Darren. It's her best friend. Yeah. The best friend, 45 years old, something like that. Cool, Fred, yes. I'm just joking, Sir Fred. Jeff, where you from? Where you from, Jeff? Sorry, Sir Darren. Let me be, let me be. Osaka, I would black you to try to send men to her. Oh my God. Joe Bird, Australia. Hi, Sir Joe Bird from Australia. Hi, Sir Joe. Joking, Pusaka, I wouldn't like you, yes. Just joking. I'm open to just chatting and seeing where things go and getting to know each other. Yes, po, Sir Darren. Hope you will find one, Sir Darren. But I wouldn't push her on any friends. I might have to block him, Fred Lul. Yeah, I know, Sir Fred. From Pusaka. Okay, sorry. Yes. Okay, Pusaka, Darren knows. Oh my god. I will go now. Be well and safe. Nice to meet you. Bye bye. Thank you, Sir Jefford, for joining. God bless. Have a nice day. I will talk to my wife. Maybe she can talk to her friends, Darren. Yeah, from Sir Fred. Jeff, come back. Take her, Jeff. Come back again from Serpent. Very nice, Lady Darren. I might get Cheryl to take the blue away from Pusaka. Look. Anyway, got to go, Sir Fred. Mom Cheryl, Sir Darren, visit my other friend doing live. Thank you, Pusaka, for joining. Hope you come back again. Thank you so much. God bless, Pusaka. Okay, Pusaka, see you tomorrow probably. Yes, for closer and thanks. Nice to chatting to you guys this evening. And again, sorry for the joke. It's okay, Pusaka, just joking. No worries. Thank you for joining, Pusaka. Have a nice day. Don't be sorry. It was funny. Yes, it was funny. See ya, Pusaka. No worries. Just joking.
Plus mo. Ulit. Yan. Yan pala yun. Hindi ko nakatago. Uy, ano ka? Pwede mo ako pagkatag.
I'm scared. I will call wife on other phone, but I'm still here. Thank you so much, Sir Fred. Wow. Guys, perfect.
Diba yun?
Let me be, let me be. It's okay, Cheryl. I will just feed Pusaka to the crocodiles here. Lul. No, Pusaka is a good friend. He's just joking. So, no big deal. Let me be, let me be. Sorry. I'm only joking, save yes. As well. Kuha ka na dito, Dab. Dagan mo ako.
Wrong mo naman dede.
Hindi, kumuha ka. Kaya it's called humor. Humor. Okay. Darren, she will talk to her friend. Darren, she will talk to her friend. Okay. Sir Darren. Wow, Sir Darren! Yay!
Kaya may anak ko
Thank you, Sir Gab. This is one thing that I'm like, and that is I'm very protect of females and kids and highly respectful. Oh, that's a good thing, Sir Darren. That's nice. Do you have a family before, Sir Darian, or like having a divorce, something like that? Having a kids? Thanks, Fred, and thank you, White. Please, Fred, for going out of your way. Yes, you know, oh my God. Retired, oops, I mean retired, Darren. Are you retired, Sir Darren?
Really, ko naman. Dan, nakita.
Let me be, let me be, let me be, let me be, wait lang. Let me be, let me be. Yeah, I have 4 kids and I was married but my ex-wife didn't like me working 7 days a week and working 15 hours
Iyo, dali
a
ate,
day
bigyan
to
ito ng
provide
chicken,
for
no?
my
Yung wala
family.
sa ruda. Sa taas. Uy, ayaw.
Oh my God. So, are you divorced, Sir Darren, or divorced, or just separated? Or tired, you're tired, something like that. I retired at the end of this year and hopefully retired to the Philippines. I'm divorced out, that's good.
Hindi.
I'm divorced, that's right. That's good. Oh, let me be, let me be. Oh, don't say. Divorced, I've been divorced for over 20 years. My God.
Kudrilyo na ako.
Okay, she will talk to her friend tomorrow, I guess. Sir Darren. Let me be. I have 3 girls and 1 son. Okay, you have 4 kids. Let me be, 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 let me be. I have 3 girls. Di maamin, na ngayong wala ka na sa akin. I have 2 daughters that are 21 years old and 1 daughter who is 24 and son who is 30. Okay. She's 53, Darren. Are you okay for the 53 years old, Sir Darren? Maybe call friends. Call friends. Don't look 50. Ah, yeah. 50 years old, but don't look 50. 53, something like. Age is just a number, yes. Age is just a number. Mama, that's right. Hi, Daniel Zeman. Hi, Daniel. Yeah, Filipina never look their age. Something like that. Oh my God.
Ano ka, Hawk? Hawk na siya.
I sent 2 men with Filipino already and they scout together. 2 men? I've set 2 men with Filipino already and they scout together. Who? My wife is 58. It looks, not looks older. Yeah, your wife, but huh? My wife is 58. I see her still doing too many lives. Oh my God po. Hi, Sir John. Yes. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Hi, Sir John. asking us didn't tempo or throwing pots and pans. Hi, Sir John. Thank you for joining, Sir John. How are you, Sir John? Yeah, lots of doing live today, Sir John. How are you, po? I'm joking. My wife actually looks maybe 40 years. She's looks young. I'm good po. That's good, Sir John. Miss you here, Sir John. Long time. Oh, ano? Something like that. Hey, you, sir. How you been? From Sir Fred. Okay, thanks, Fred. Cheryl, I see you and Mike together and Jeff and his girlfriend. Yeah. We're still together and getting married soon. Something like that. Sing, sing, girl. Thank you for people. Thank you, Selena in the house. What about what about what about Machete Star? What about Machetes? Yeah, I was interested in Cheryl myself until I see Mike and Cheryl together. Good morning. Hi, Fabricon. Comment. A lot of people were interested in Cheryl. Well, lots, not lot, not like my God, yeah. No, machete bread. A lot talaga. Yes, lots po. Oh my God. Madami. Not lot, Sir John. Not lot, my God. Maybe just Mike like me. Not lot. Only John, only John. Sir John. Only Mike interested me here, my God. I love Cheryl dance steps but wouldn't do it in live stream. Something like that. They said they were but never went to meet her user. Ayan. You are very nice girl. Thank you, Fabricon. You twin. Yeah, sure. You had lots that one way. Not like that. Thank you, Sir Fred. I think Mike only want me here. Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me. yes, like that. Like that. Okay, bedtime for me po. Sleep well po. Thank you, Sir John. Sleep well, Sir John. Good night. God bless, Sir John. Stay healthy po, Sir John. What time? 9:20. 9:26 p.m. here. Good night.
Ito, may panghilal na. Panghilal eh.
You're wrong, Cheryl, because I was interested, but I just wanted to chat more to you, but I'm busy a lot as I am a truck driver. Really? I didn't know. Oh my god. Night user from Sir Darren. Good night, Fred from Sir Joanne. I drove tractor to 7 years, Darren from Sir Fred. Oh wow. Wow, I didn't know, Sir Darren. I'm what? Like a word. How can you find it outside of a gallery? Huh? That's the truck I drive in my profile picture. Ah, okay. The Sir Darren, the truck is your own? Thank you, Sir Fred. I drive road trains here in Australia. Wow, that's great. A Western Star. Oh, no, I have a boss. Ah, okay, you have a boss. You have a boss. I have no boss and had 3 trucks and hired drivers from Sir Fred. If you Google road trains in Australia, you will see how big they are. Okay. Train Australia. What should I say? If you Google road trains in Australia. I had 2 drivers the last 9 years. Wow.
Papainit.
Oh my god. The road train in Australia. It's so big. Oh my god. That's big.
Oh, nagana po.
Good money in trucking but never home. Ah. A Western Star bed and like a home inside it. Yeah, I drive 2 trailers and sometimes 3. Wow. Mine too, Darren. I cook and had full-size refrigerator as tall as as US, as us or US, as tall as us. Wow. So you drive what we call a wiggle wagons with 2 to 3 trailers. So you drive what we call wiggle wagons with 2 to 3 trailers. Yeah, great job and let it and get to see a lot of Australia countryside. Wow, that's great. Oh my god.
Bali. Kaya di ba yun? Ako.
They give wiggle. They give wiggle. Oh, well, the wiggle if you're not careful. I've been to every state in the United USA except Alaska. Wow. Oh wow, the Alaska in the USA. My wife been all over the USA also. Wow, I want to experience too. Oh my god. Like Florida, something like the Chicago, Hawaii, what they call New York, what they call Texas, and Honolulu. What else? Kentucky, something like that. Yeah, plenty of room in the sleeper, even for Cheryl to do her dancing and lul. Ah, she would come to the States for 2 months every year. Wow.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Alis.
I had bulbous neck and right liners. That's great poster Fred. Yes! To one America. I've been in every state in Australia and the track. Uh-oh. But maybe you will agree, Darren, trucking is not like it used to be. The Volvos are for girls to drive, Fred. Sorry, they are rubbish. Rubbish? They are rubbish. Rubbish. I love my Volvo, but again, everyone has their own test. 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 Oh my god, my English. I'm a girl on Fridays, Aaron. Haha. Yeah, trucking has changed a lot in 40 years. Hello, beautiful lady. Hi, Terry Forrest. Terry J. Forrest. Hi, po. Fred. Terry J. Forrest. god. Rubbish man, basura Sheryl. Yeah, that's right. Rubbish, my gulay. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my, what do you call it? I need to reread again. Volvos are for girls to drive fast. Sorry, they are rubbish. Oh my god, they are rubbish. Hi, George. Gorgeous Jen. Hi. Oh, Gorgeous Jane. Hi, Gorgeous Jen. Beautiful Jane. Hi. What does it hurt, miss? Maybe the love of me. Some days I'll be having you. You ever watch my shorts? Darren will do Transgender Friday. Because Kiki called us females, so we started Freaky Friday. Hello, Cheryl. I see Bodyman is here protecting you from the trolls. Oh, thank you, my love. Hi, hubby. Hey, Mike. From Sir Fred. Someone has to win. You're not here, Mike. Yeah. Hello, Uncle Freddy. Lol. Okay, it's time for me to hit the bed side as I have to be up in 5 hours to start work and can't be tired as highway patrol I streak here in Australia. He kissed me again, Mike. No, that's not you. That's not for you. That's for Mike. Hi, Mike from Sir Darren. Alright, Darren, let's take again from Sir Fred. Hey, Darren from Mike. Thank you, Sir Darren. Thank you for joining. Yeah, I seen the kiss Mike. Look. Oh my god. Dog. See, even Darren saw her kiss. Ah. May gulay. Hello, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, Sir Gus. I'm fine. How about you guys? Hello, Fred from Sir Gus Sanders. Thank you for joining. I'm out. I'm out now for sure. Getting tampo. No, I'm not tampo. Not tampo, Sir Darren. I'm not a what's up, Darren bro from Sir Gas Sanders. Hey guys from Sir Fred. Hey guys from Sir Darren. Oh my god. Okay, see ya everyone. Daryl, you will definitely know when a Filipino gets tampo. When Filipino gets tampo. Okay, Mike is here now, so I will go and call wife again before she goes to sleep. Thank you, Sir Fred. Take care, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Fred. Bye-bye. Sleep well. Good night. Oh my god. Bye, Fred from Sir Gas. I know what tampo looks like as I've had Filipino partner before, lol. What happened? Okay, sorry. I know what happened to your partner before, Filipino. You told us, I think, yesterday, something like that. Ala ala and the summer singing that Good evening, Valmar's channel. Valmar's channel, hello. Valmar's. Valmar's. Okay, bye everyone. It's time for this old fart to hit the fart sack for some shut eye. Thank you, Sir Darian. Bye bye. God bless. Take care always. Hi, Kuya Fred from Valmar's channel. Valmar's channel. Hi, Valmar's channel. Hello, Sir Cheryl. Hi, Valmar's channel. Thank you for joining. It means sleep, Cheryl. Okay. It means sleep, Cheryl. Says sleep well. Sama. What are you doing? Wait. Wait, wait.